From our vantage point, Earth seems vast, a sphere of vibrant blue oceans, emerald forests and towering mountains. The sheer scale of our planet is enough to make us feel small, insignificant even. We build cities that sprawl, construct monuments that pierce the sky, yet in the grand scheme of things, these are but tiny marks on a colossal canvas. Earth, for all its beauty and wonder, is merely a speck of dust in the cosmic ocean. Our journey begins here, on this pale blue dot. This is our home, the only place we know to harbour life. But our journey doesn't end here. To truly grasp the vastness of the universe, we must leave the comfort of our home and venture out into the cosmic abyss. Let us embark on a journey to the largest things in the universe, a journey that will shatter our perception of size and leave us in awe of the cosmos. Our first stop takes us to Jupiter, the king of our solar system. A swirling giant of gas, Jupiter dwarfs our planet. Imagine Earth as a small grape. On this scale, Jupiter would be a basketball, its immense gravity holding sway over a retinue of moons. But even Jupiter pales in comparison to the true giant of our solar system, the Sun. This colossal ball of burning plasma is so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Imagine shrinking our basketball Jupiter down to the size of a pea. On this scale, the Sun would be a giant beach ball, its surface a raging inferno of nuclear fire. Our journey takes us beyond our solar system now to the realm of the stars. Here we encounter UY Scuti, a red supergiant star so large that it would engulf the orbit of Jupiter if placed in our solar system. Imagine the Sun as a marble, and UY Scuti would be a hot air balloon so large it could carry away a small village. But even UY Scuti is dwarfed by Stephenson 2.18, the largest known star in the universe. This colossal star is so large that it could hold 10 billion suns. If our sun were a grain of sand, Stephenson 2.18 would be a mountain, its peak lost in the clouds. Our journey continues to even larger structures, vast collections of stars known as galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy containing billions of stars. Imagine shrinking Stephenson 2.18 down to the size of a grain of sand. On this scale, the Milky Way would be a vast city, its spiral arms dotted with billions of tiny grains of light, each representing a star. But even the Milky Way is dwarfed by IC 1101, the largest known galaxy in the universe. This elliptical giant is so large that it makes our Milky Way look like a tiny speck of dust. If the Milky Way were a dinner plate, IC 1101 would be a football field filled with trillions upon trillions of stars. Within these galaxies, lurking at their very heart, are even more massive objects, supermassive black holes. These cosmic monsters are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Ton 618 is one such supermassive black hole, a behemoth billions of times the mass of our Sun. Imagine shrinking IC 1101, our football field-sized galaxy, down to the size of a coin. On this scale, Ton 618 would be a tiny speck of dust at its centre, yet its gravitational influence would extend to the very edge of the coin, holding the entire structure in its grip. Our journey takes us beyond individual galaxies now to even larger structures known as galaxy clusters. These clusters are vast collections of galaxies held together by gravity. Our own Milky Way is part of a cluster known as the local group. But this is just a small neighbourhood in a much larger metropolis. The Laniakea Supercluster, our cosmic home, contains hundreds of thousands of galaxies, including our own local group. If we were to shrink the Milky Way down to the size of a grain of sand, the Laniakea Supercluster would be the size of a house, filled with countless grains of sand, each representing a galaxy. Finally, our journey brings us to the edge of our current understanding, to the largest known structure in the universe, the Hercules corona Borealis Great Wall. This colossal structure is a filament of galaxies, stretching for billions of light years across the cosmos. It's difficult to even comprehend its size. If the Laniakea Supercluster, our house filled with galaxies, were shrunk down to the size of a grain of sand, the Hercules corona Borealis Great Wall would be larger than the Earth itself. This is the largest thing we know of, a testament to the awe-inspiring scale and mystery of our universe. As we stand at the edge of this cosmic ocean, our journey reminds us of the vastness and beauty that surrounds us. There are structures out there so large that they defy our imagination, mysteries waiting to be unravelled, and wonders that will continue to amaze us. The universe is a place of endless possibilities, and our journey to understand it has just begun.